essential for connecting M.2 NVMe SSDs to PCIe 4.0 slots, enabling maximum speed and compatibility with modern systems. My today's video is about top 5 best M.2 NVMe SSD that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sabrent M.2 NVMe SSD. The M.2 NVMe to PCIe 4.0 x4 adapter is a versatile and high-performance solution for upgrading desktop storage. Supporting M.2 NVMe SSDs in 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 sizes, it delivers ultra-fast transfer speeds over PCIe lanes, significantly enhancing system responsiveness and data handling. While incompatible with SATA drives or PCIe X1 slots, it ensures maximum performance when paired with X16, X8, or X4 slots. A durable aluminum heatsink with a thermal pad provides effective heat dissipation, keeping SSDs cool under heavy workloads and extending their lifespan. Installation is straightforward, with a tool-free setup including screws and a screwdriver, allowing users to mount the SSD quickly and securely. Designed for stability and broad system compatibility, this adapter supports Windows 7 with NVMe hotfixes, Windows 8, 10, 11, Linux, and modern BIOSes that handle NVMe over PCI. Combining speed, reliability, and ease of use, this adapter is ideal for enthusiasts and professionals seeking seamless storage expansion and optimized performance. Now our second product is Glotron's M.2 NVMe SSD. The M.2 NVMe to PCIe adapter is a high-performance solution for expanding desktop storage, converting PCIe X4/X8/X16 slots into M.2 keyM interfaces for NVMe SSDs. It supports PCIe 4.0 and 3.0 SSDs, enabling ultra-fast data transfer. Though full PCIe 4.0 speeds require compatible CPUs, slots, and SSDs. Note that Intel CPUs below the 11th generation do not support PCIe 4.0. The adapter accommodates M.2 SSDs of all capacities, including 2 TB and 4 TB, in sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, though SATA M.2 drives are not supported. Integrated heat sinks reduce SSD temperatures by 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, enhancing longevity and performance. It is compatible with Windows 11 10.8, Linux, and Mac OS, and can support OS booting on most modern systems. The package includes both 12 cm standard and 8 cm low-profile brackets for versatile PC installation. FCC and CE certified. With lifetime technical support, this adapter delivers reliable, stable, and efficient storage expansion for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Our third product is a Luting M.2 NVMe SSD. The PCIe to M.2 adapter is a high-performance solution for modern storage expansion, supporting 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 M.2 PCIe NVMe SSDs with M-key or band M-key interfaces. SATA M.2 drives and SATA/B-key SSDs are not supported, and PCIe 1X or standard PCI slots are incompatible. Designed for speed, it leverages NVMe protocol and PCIe lanes to achieve theoretical read speeds up to 32 gigabits per second, significantly reducing transfer times for large files, though actual speeds depend on system configuration. Stability and safety are prioritized with solid-state capacitors that regulate voltage, preventing damage from current surges and ensuring consistent operation under varying temperatures. The included aluminum heatsink efficiently dissipates heat, keeping SSDs cool during intense workloads and extending their lifespan. Measuring 140 by 35 millimeters, the adapter is compatible with Windows 7, 10, 11, requiring no drivers for Windows 8 and above. Overall, this adapter delivers reliable, fast, and safe storage expansion for high-performance desktops. Now number 4, M.2 NVMe SSD. The PCIe 5.0 M.2 NVMe adapter is a cutting-edge solution for maximizing next-generation storage performance. Supporting PCIe Gen 5 SSDs with speeds up to 128 gigabits per second, 16 gigabytes per second, it unlocks the full potential of high-end drives like the Samsung 990 Pro, WD Black SN850X, and crucial T700, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and IT professionals handling large files or 8K video editing. Its integrated aluminum heatsink with thermal pads ensures efficient heat dissipation, preventing thermal throttling during sustained workloads and maintaining stable performance. The adapter offers flexible compatibility with PCIe 5.0/4.0x4, X8, or X16 slots, allowing users to expand storage without compromising GPU lanes. Tool-free installation securely holds 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 M.2 SSDs, enabling plug-and-play operation with no drivers required. Backward compatible with PCIe 4.0 and supporting Windows 10, 11, Linux, and Mac OS, this adapter delivers reliable, high-speed storage expansion, combining convenience, versatility, and professional-grade performance in one compact design. And our last choice is ASUS M.2 NVMe SSD. The Quad M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 adapter is a high-performance solution designed for extreme storage expansion. Supporting up to 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs in sizes 2242, 2260, 2280, and 22110, it delivers a combined throughput of up to 256 gigabits per second by fully utilizing PCIe 4.0 bandwidth. Built with server-grade, low-loss PCB material, the adapter ensures signal stability and is compatible with PCIe X16 and X8 slots, offering flexibility for high-end desktops, workstations, and servers. It accommodates SSDs with up to 14W power consumption, making it suitable for the latest next-generation drives. The adapter also integrates a stylish heatsink with a blower-style fan, effectively dissipating heat to prevent thermal throttling and maintain peak performance during intensive workloads such as 8K video editing, data processing, or gaming. Combining cutting-edge speed, robust construction, and advanced cooling, this adapter is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts seeking ultra-fast, reliable, and scalable storage solutions in a single, compact card. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.